Look at the ocean!
Oh God! I'm gonna die!
Those Wildwood days. Wildwood days.
Oh, my voice.
Every day's a holiday. Every night is Saturday night. Oh, those Wildwood days. Wildwood days. And then those party lights. Wildwood nights.
We made it!
Yes.
So we're here still, enjoying our food from the pink Cadillac Diner. Food hasn't come out yet, but you give this whole place a whole 10 out of 10 because the food did not disappoint.
I found it on Pinterest after hunting and digging. I got a picture of this nigga eating some meat, and you wanna know what? It's damn well good. See, and I got the photo of him sitting. Yeah, y'all don't even mess up. Y'all don't get how hard I got every single, and I got this one. Yeah. I got that though. I don't know why, because it's that good. See, watch this. Watch this. I got that though.
No, use a Broly simp, bro.
Bro, can you blame me though?
Yes.
Can you?
I don't ever expect her to simp out the Broly.
It's like, I don't want to watch Dragon Ball. Y'all should have really thought this through. If you're such a damn god and you know shit, you should have really thought that through. No, I'm never gonna watch
All the artists is broke ass monkeys,
No,
bro.
bro, you fell asleep at the wrong moment, bro.
Yeah, bro.
What happened?
You basically fell asleep when they started getting the main gunfights and stuff.
Oh no, bro. Oh my god.
Now you gotta rewatch it. Now you have to rewatch it. But let's rewatch it before we fall asleep.
It wouldn't be so bad. It's like, nah. I think I have a horrible pattern, bro.
This orange juice will be hitting though.
Bro, Broly can serve me the most shitty iced coffee and ice
Good.
What's up, camera?
Cadillac sausage for you. Cadillac on rice with scramble. Scramble.
Ooh, here goes my plate. I'm gonna dig in.
And that's not.
Very cute up there, huh?
You sure?
My nigga, you.
Now this is what I do.
I'm gonna take out my plate.
So I do it too.
Now I take out until I got my plate. Don't forget to move your oranges off the side.
Alright. Record this piece of immaculate food right here.
I haven't met anybody that doesn't do this.
No, there's people that put
Yeah, exactly. What are you talking about?
and I put ketchup on that.
Oh yeah, I can't do that. I don't know why I'm
Oh
starting
yeah.
ketchup.
But I'm gonna put it around the eggs. I kind of didn't want to touch my egg.
World, I would.
I'm gonna just put it right about over here.
You pass it all over here, and I take it off your hands. Thank you.
Yeah, because the only thing you have is a pancake.
Bro,
top.
the plot hasn't even started, bro. I'm getting annoyed at this Broly AI. I gotta find another one. How do you that fast jump, bro?
You know what that beast turns? You know when the Saint Esau, right? You know what that turns into? Muscle.
Pure muscle, bro. That's why Goku eats so much, bro.
And I'd eat it again.
Mexico City with pork belly and sausage. I'll be right back for the rest.
Thank you. Ooh, you make a fish market soon. Mexico City.
Now let me tell you something.
Broly could eat me like this, sir. I'm just gonna record Samaj eating. Is this an ASMR?
Yes.
I'm not recording some I'm recording food.
Yes. Actually,
I
no.
want whoever loses jail to get hungry.
And then come down to this diner. Go all the way down to Wildwood just to eat this.
Let me live.
So you get jealous.
Disappointed.
What?
So
I want them jealous.
Why?
Because why Brody?
Okay, maybe it's just me. But like,
Brody won't do much shit for you.
I do not care.
Yeah.
You think I care?
Not just because
I
he's like the
like
buffest
eye
dude on the
contact.
whole show does not mean anything.
I let
bro.
this dude stare at me for 3 hours and I still be sitting there like,
Okay, now you don't get bored of your ass after a while.
care what is on? If he wants me to do tricks and I'm a fucking magician now.
All he gonna want to do is meditate, train.
I'll watch that all day too.
That's all he really wants to
care.
do.
It's funny that Broly's like the only one out of the three.
Yes,
scenes-
'cause
it's funny that Broly out of the three scenes can actually learn how to meditate.
All I can say is you put a deer in front of him. That's gonna be his best friend.
Yep.
And I'll put multiple deers. Elliot, get the fuck out of here, bro.
No, it was just a matter of fact that he's like the only Saiyan out of the three Saiyans on Earth that will sit down and meditate enough. They even calm down enough.
Yep.
They were just like, oh nah, bro. I want to do is eat and get stronger.
You do not.
They
get
like
it.
nah. Broly's like the only one that's like nah, bro. I was stronger.
No, because that's gonna increase Brody to get Ultra Instinct even faster.
You do not get it. Characters that have that have like anger issues are just delicious to me.
Him meditating is him getting
Bakugo,
really gonna get Ultra Instinct.
Aaron, Broly, just multiple.
Let's couple.
The only thing that is really ain't even
Banana
that bad.
pancake and Nutella banana pancakes.
You get
Enjoy.
Nutella too?
Can I get you anything else? You all set?
Yeah.
Great.
Nah, bro, look at that, bro. You get Nutella with it, bro.
And look at them.
Oh, keep putting flour on top. You get to eat the flour, edible flour.
But I don't like how Broly's the only one meditating. And
Vegeta like fuck medicine.
Vegeta worried about defense.
Exactly.
Goku's worrying about getting stronger, and Broly's like, yeah, I'm gonna do a Jiren and meditate. That's how you get stronger. Period.
I feed Broly chocolate bars, bro. You don't get it, bro. Okay, anime had an overflow right now.
Get the fuck off my food. You disrespecting the food. You don't want to eat
Imagine
that
there's a
flour?
universe where anime characters are watching us.
No, man, I gotta look at this dude's food, bro.
Shit, I'm the best one here. I got the biggest food here.
I mean, you're not wrong. You got the best looking food.
No, mine has more food than I have.
What is that?
I have the highest food.
Yes.
That's scrapple.
What about, also, what's your plate?
Mexico City omelets.
Alright.
I have the highest food, and mine has the biggest food.
That's the biggest portion of food because you get strawberries, banana, Nutella, and whipped cream.
Well, I get fat. Well, it's like I get fat, and muscle, and more fat. with a big amount of calorie on top too.
It's like something Goku would say. I'm getting fat, muscle, and some more fat to build that muscle.
With some calorie on top. Cause what means calorie?
You ain't gonna hold you. You can put anything in front of Goku, he will literally eat it.
Yeah, no, I got so no. I could always bring. I would always remember the. I was looking on Vegeta and them having a family vacation. Vegeta was saving something, right? And Goku went to go steal it and ate that shit.
Literally, hit it with the. Soon, I smell food. Go right to the table and get right, sit right down. Yup. Wait for his plate.
Remember when Vegeta was saving that? I think it was a egg roll or something. And when Goku went to go eat that shit, but when Vegeta went to go eat his food, he was like, "Hey, I was saving that." And he was like, "Exactly, nigga." I got cracked out laughing at that, bro. Vegeta wasn't playing no games. You ate his shit and you want to eat yours. I like how Goku got so mad about it though. If you know he literally just ate his food.
Because they don't play with food.
Yeah, but you just play what it is. You just
You don't know why? I looked at the Pinterest comments. I looked at picture, but we're over 1,000 Pinterest comments on my page. Lots of fangirls, so go fuck off.
No. and I get him at 32. So y'all tell me y'all liking this man because he's married to you.
Yes. I like a peaceful person that can get mad easily. You know, it's kind of funny. Okay, let him be
I've been to know
mad.
that he doesn't like you.
I don't like my teachers, but you don't hear me saying, "Oh man, I don't fucking like you." Okay, well, shut the fuck up.
Oh, I say that to my teachers. I say that to my teachers. Mm-hmm. Yep. I say that to my teachers. I'll tell
How
them.
about you eat your mini Nutella and shut up?
I will be in the same. I will literally be in the same room with my teacher. I'm like, I don't like that bitch. Okay, that's how my school runs. We can say whoever's on our mind, no teacher can do shit about it.
I want to now rewatch that movie. On my own time, so I can get some screenshots.
Oh, bro.
It's only like 25 minutes up, bro.
Exactly.
Okay, and
He
screenshots.
didn't even show up that much in the movie.
Screenshot.
And most people have back shots of him, bro.
You don't get it. When the first episode of Old Baby came out, I got screenshots of every single character and every single frame.
Okay, this is hi, y'all good?
Mhm.
Get some oranges.
Yeah, sure.
Thank you.
There's only one
You
strawberry.
told me to bark, I bark.
Put that in my face.
Well, he's not even gonna tell you to bark.
I would bark though. He said bark, I'll bark.
He doesn't speak.
If he told me to bark telekinesis type, so I'd bark. I'd bark either way, even if he told me not to bark.
Thank you. We're getting too highly empowered.
He was gonna look at you really weird.
That just makes me all the more interesting.
No. He doesn't.
Bark.
You know, humans are strange. Is all humans like this?
And I'll be like, fuck no.
Look like, no. Some humans come with different sizes. Some of them come in with different strengths. This one's just naturally weird. Bubba will say some shit like that, though.
Now.
And he won't realize he is. He won't realize that you will get upset about it.
You know what? I want to see.
I want to get upset, bro.
Okay, brothers, right?
Yeah.
I want to see Goku Black versus Broly. Now that would be a good
my
matchup.
God.
I'm gonna tell you why. Goku Black.
I think
Goku Black
Goku Black won't win that battle, maybe.
No.
No, think about it. But Broly may have the power. He may be able to have the ability to win that. But no matter what, if even Broly kills Goku Black, right? Ain't Goku Black going to come right back, though?
That's Zamasu.
I know that's something, but still. Isn't he going to have the ability to come right back, though?
No, but and Broly didn't even get the full power yet, bro.
You know, the thing is, right? Goku Black and Goku they have the same strength. They have the same strength. So where Broly power level is at is way beyond theirs. But Broly is literally Goku and Vegeta's trump card.
Hot.
Goku Black is going to call him mortal and try to smack him. And it's not going to work. I ain't going to hold you. Broly's going to hit with the meanest.
No, I would think that. I was thinking, no, actually, no, I think in that battle, he was just trying to hug Goku just because it's Goku. Cause remember, he wouldn't think it was Goku. He wouldn't think it was Goku, even though it's not him.
No, he won. He won him that his Goku.
All he knows between Goku that Goku Black won't try to attack him. That's the only thing he's going to know. He's like, why are you attacking me? He's like, bro, I thought we were friends. And Goku come on, no, come on, that's not me, bro. That's not me, bro.
I mean, it's still a good matchup. Even though Black is gonna get the worst ass whooping of his life.
The freezer ass open.
Freezer.
The freezer smack. You want to hear some
Goku Black is gonna get the freezer treatment. Cause look, the thing is, you got Super Saiyan 3. It's not gonna work on Broly. No matter how many times you gonna work, try, it's not gonna work. He gonna once he gets the Super Saiyan, yeah, have fun with that. You're gonna get the worst shit in your life. The combo star, right? Bloom, 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 bloom. You can't let one happen. Once you get the half S full power.
Yeah. Are you doing what I was doing to Samaj?
What? Oh, yeah.
I realized that when I saw the light flashing blue.
So you're not gonna put your tongue in Nutella? I'm just saying.
Trying to give me memories or something, nigga?
Memories of what?
Remember I used to have the tiny little jar of Nutella.
Oh,
stick my
yeah.
tongue in this shit just to stick the chocolate out of it.
I think Gohan's daughter just
Oh yeah, I forgot you did that. I forgot you did
I
that.
remember I was trying to get the chocolate out of the Nutella jar.
Yes,
I couldn't get it out, so I used to just use my tongue.
Is it your entire dude?
Come on, bro.
This was the big one.
How come judge me last night for drinking a little bit of Baja Blood? You're an asshole, man. Tomas was right, bro.
What? I don't know why you even said that thing.
No, Lamar. While you were sick, I took one sip of the Baja Blast and I gave the rest of Lamar. He's like, you took one.
She took this much.
I wasn't really that
bottle.
thirsty, man.
So don't take the whole bottle.
Damn, what do you want some Baja Blast? You gotta throw that shit down the drain.
If you did, I will smack you. Because one, I paid for that, and two, Baja Blast should never be thrown away.
What about the poisonous Baja Blast?
You know this one.
How much you drink that?
Okay. The Baja Blast.
Yeah, Baja Blast. The person beat that.
I put it in a cup and get some of them off and get myself some. Some of the Baja.
I'm more stuffed in a turkey than the first Thanksgiving.
Our person beat that ass. I mean, get that blast.
Beat the ass. Drink the blast.
Blast. You have all y'all.
That ass. You're a fucking weirdo.
Oh.
Because you're Samaj.
Get a real play for you guys.
Sure.
Thank you very much. Appreciate it.
Because you're Samaj, and when you're a Samaj, man, I know y'all niggas eating the mad Doritos for all Samaj.
This is real funny. I've been holding in my number 2.
Where's the universe where everyone's just
I choose the number of reference. You go to this world from here. Tell them, you guys are like, hey, I'll catch you. I'm going to the bathroom. I don't mean to say that I'm eating, but I'm like, I next when I'm on trips and stuff like this, I actually holding all this, so I'm really don't got it.
How do you spell your name?
I'm supposed to do it yesterday and every day. So
Why did you keep?
I know my mom says even if I do that in number 2, I can't.
Why is there two? I thought there were J's in your
I'm
name.
like, bro, I usually try my best not to use it on trips like that.
One J.
But after this, I'm going to that bathroom though.
You know how confused. What about if I put your name on a government document? We're gonna get an innocent man.
It's not gonna come up.
I'm going to the whole bathroom.
What about if I plan to hit on you?
It's a unique name that is not gonna come up. The only thing that's gonna come up is a burger Samaj.
I was looking at some Mars pancakes making my stomach hurt, bro. I didn't feel like the
I can say this.
stomach.
Diabetes.
Because I ate too much. I had
Diabetes.
I had stuff. I had the Dino pieces, your Dino pieces that had diabetes. I had a bunch of body.
I'm gonna tell you why.
One Baja Blast. The body.
You got Nutella?
Nutella.
Nutella?
Yeah, that.
Yeah.
No, I don't know why, bro. That pizza is so good, bro. I would get another slice, man.
I had a bunch of food and never went to work. So that's like
No, so that's why you gotta ask me, like, Joe.
Sugar gotta be this. If you eat
I gotta
too
go
of
back to the
these,
hotel.
you're gonna be sick. Diabetes. Don't get this plate because I'm gonna tell you your stomach won't feel great. Diabetes.
How you know it's not feeling great?
I know. I'm just saying. Boy, stop playing with me.
I've been holding a lot in right now. And I mean, it's not feeling great in my stomach. So after this, I'm going back to the hotel. You're gonna see me for a while. Oh my.
Diabetes, yeah, you're really about to faint. I mean, I can tell that your legs are about to faint. So why do you pick this? I mean, I'm not judging your item. But damn, nigga, you really must be hungry because god damn, that looks like sugar land. I mean, this would be diabetes in a fucking can. So you're really gonna eat this? I really feel bad for your stomach because damn, diabetes, my nigga. Yeah.
Why y'all all
diabetes.
flapping at this dumb plate,
I like her pancakes.
Why are you eating with a spoon?
Wait a minute, bacon pancakes.
Nigga, no.
Bro, it's gonna taste the same. If you eat
Diabetes.
You know I've been trying to get better. I know it's bad, but I've been testing the human body against diabetes. So I've been for the last 3 months I've been eating a bunch of sugar from different things.
diabetes.
What?
I've been testing the human body for 3 months now. For the last 3 months. I've been eating.
Hey, what's your money? You got the worst plate ever.
Yeah, because you was drinking all that, what was it?
Your plate is nowhere near healthy.
And then you was eating donuts, bro.
I'm gonna tell you why. You got Nutella on your
I've been
food.
testing the human body for a while.
Then you got whipped cream on your food.
Then you gave him more Nutella.
Don't talk to my shit.
You got Nutella.
Why do you want to take that home? You're like, Nutella. We just see you in the middle of the night, it's like,
Nowhere near healthy.
if I smacked your head into your plate, how would that be? I'm joking.
Mara turned Super
So I was about to
Saiyan.
whoop your
Mara turned Super Saiyan.
the fingernail. The thumb, bro. People suck this thumb, bro. You suck this. Hey. No one sucks.
Shut the freak up. Please stop. Please
Bro,
stop.
you know, I didn't mean that. I was trying to
No,
get out
no,
the
no.
situation.
Just stop.
I had
Please
to
stop.
say something dramatic to make it
I
stop.
don't care. Please stop.
Bro, one time somebody was about to slap the shit out of me. I was like, bro, don't touch me. I'm a masochist. I like the pain. When they slapped me, I actually moaned, bro. I had to play it off.
And this is what I mean by Brody was gonna look at you weird.
What you see?
Future Trinity.
What you see?
Please,
I'll go back to this hotel. I'll go back to the hotel. I want to
do not.
That's on the last part, bro.
Future me, don't listen to him.
Do not. I repeat, do not.
Future me, don't listen to him.
Go to Comic-Con
Yo,
and dress as a female version of Broly.
why would I do that? Ew, no. I don't like the female version of Broly. I saw that. I don't like it. Ew, no. Come on, man. I have more decency than that. I don't want to be a female Broly. Because I would want female Broly, but that's not the point. But you see the original Broly. He was incubated. Incubation baby. You don't get it, 80. I let Broly toss me around like a slab of meat. I'm just saying, bro. He's like, I want to train. I'm like, fuck it, bro. I'm gonna test dummy. Hold on, let me get my helmet.
Goku really have a lot of females.
No wonder he's like you.
No, whatever. Goku stays true to his own girl, though. They's attracted to him, but he doesn't like them, though. Because he doesn't realize they do. Anyway, all he thinks is, more training buddies.
More friends.
More friends, yeah. More training buddies, more friends. And they like, do you want to be my boyfriend? I'm like, I'm married.
But is there an episode? Is there an episode when he died and his princess asked him to marry him, right? Go inside. Okay.
Oh,
kid, I was so confused. Why would you say okay? Because this man Goku does not have a brain. The same person who don't have a brain, his students, like Naruto. The time when the episode where a girl asked him for some sex. And he gonna know what that
movie where he was saving the girl with the look like Hinata, but just like with blonde hair. Yeah, I remember that when she asked him in marriage, and he said yes, not knowing what she meant by that.
And knowing here is huh?
No, so it was this one Naruto movie where it was this princess, right? And she was like Hinata, but different, but she only was between her and Hinata. She had her eyes to give her the ability to see into the future. And it was funny as shit, because she was a princess, and she didn't have a boyfriend. She was like, Naruto, would you marry me? And she didn't say that word, the same word. And Naruto, of course, went out and said, yeah, sure, I'll be there to protect you. And she met in marriage, and he had a marriage. Imagine what she feels like now once she finds out that he's married to Hinata. No, because then it remember me that scene where I was supposed to marry him. That one upset because remember Jiraiya did with her sensei. No, because Jiraiya did him dirty though. No, because there was a time when Jiraiya was fighting the one girl, and the other girl and him made a deal saying that when their speeds meet, they'll fight to get married. So when Naruto met with the other girl sensei, and she was like, now you have to fight my students. You don't really have to marry the other. Look, I didn't get a say. I didn't get a say.
Set me on fire. You'll skin me alive, and I'll be like, I don't know. No, I think a dead nigga. But anyways, so this this was from I'm going so far, bro.
Look up.
And also like Jiraiya made that deal. I didn't make a deal.
Okay.
This I didn't have to say anything.
You think I give a fuck?
The girl, first the student come on nowhere.
And you know what? I don't care. Canon, uncanon. I'm popular.
She's like, now we gotta get married. I'm like, no. She's like, no.
I don't think you want to do that.
You want to marry me? I want to get married to you.
You gonna see what?
Is he gonna kill me?
Oh,
that's not hot.
No,
You don't get it. I've watched so much of mine. You think I care? I know Aaron Yeager would kill me in this, and you're like, get the fuck out of my way. I'm like, thank you.
Hey, but Broly's worse than Aaron, though.
Oh, that's even better.
Broly's like a. No. Broly look at you. I'll say, yeah, that's your planet.
Oh, you saw Z? No, Z really don't get to you.
You think I give about it? I don't care. I don't care if he's a blonde. I don't care if he's a blonde, a brunette, a piss.
No, Z really wouldn't give a fuck. He will tease your ass before he blows the planet out. He don't like, that's your precious moon? Oh, it's so pretty.
I'm like, this is my precious virginity.
Okay, so now.
Really?
I'll be like, yeah.
This.
Think I give a fuck? I'll still hop on too.
I'm gonna tell you something. His hatred is so retarded. If you even cry, he will hate you for the rest of his life.
Nah, that's what girls
Literally.
If
he met you as a baby and you was just crying next to him, he really hates you because of that.
No,
Tell me he doesn't have kids, bro.
No, he doesn't have kids. He hates Goku. He hates Goku because he was crying. He was crying and he wasn't. He was crying so loud. That's what he's doing. Yeah, he hates Goku. That's why he's coming back to kill Goku's kids. Go.
Yeah, Kakarot. I kill the kids. It was so good.
But
even you
he will
stop me.
he will charge at you and kick the shit out of you.
I don't care. You think I care? You don't get this. I am shameless, Samaj.
Too bad you're not shameless enough.
I am shameless enough. I don't care if you see a 6-foot blonde brunette fucking dog. I don't care.
She's not powerful.
You want to know the reason why I like Broly? It's because I'm dumb as shit. I like his skin tone.
No, let me tell you the difference between Saiyans and you and something after them. The only difference is they like strong women.
Exactly. So you actually have to work your ass off to actually have them interested.
What do you like?
You don't know how far I'll go.
No, it's not even physical. They need. They like mental. You're able to go head on into like a stronger person and say, oh, you're not going to shit. Then they may have the reason to like you.
Oh, my dad became scared for no reason. I'm not gonna blow. I was just caught.
Imagine.
Yeah, everyone's dead. Well, he needs to tell to go into that form.
Can I pull the...
Wait, no, that's Super Saiyan 4.
Why would you want to pull his tail?
He could, if he sees this form, then that's not for his tail.
I always try to wonder, what does it feel like to get their tail cut off?
But
like under their pants, do they actually have that little?
He's the only one that went Super Saiyan 4.
What number he has his health still? He always had his health still. Remember, certain scenes he had a tail, but then it was different, and then it was gone in their scenes.
But he's the only one who went Super Saiyan 4 and joined my Super Hero.
You guys don't get how far I'll go, bro. Okay? I root for
I can see this.
That's why like Knuckles. Knuckles actually took something.
My nigga,
remind me of
Get your
Knuckles is dumb.
Leave my himbo.
Knuckles is dumb. Why the hell is he saying dot.
Because remember, he didn't understand the word X yet, though. He didn't get that far in experience.
Well, that was crazy, man.
Still retardation.
He was doing Sonic World.
Even in the show, he's mentally retarded.
Yeah, but remember,
He believes Eggman's way too fast, bro.
Yeah, remember, he was just getting out of Sonic's world though, so he didn't really understand the world text.
Yeah, but like he just never trusts Sonic at some point, bro. He's always just like, Sonic, you really did that? Like, no, Eggman's lying to your ass, bro. How about you stop believing in that little wimp?
Sonic was like his fun. Like even times when the sort of animation when Sonic thought when he thought that Sonic was going after the Master Emerald. Yeah, but what the fuck he needs the Master Emerald?
Exactly.
I know he made for power, but you think he needs that shit right now?
Bro, he don't need the Master Emerald. He's trying to collect the 7 other ones, dude.
He like, let me get my Master. No, but he just wants your fucking Emerald.
Not even 5 minutes texting of one of these AIs.
Oh.
It's like I love you. I'm my phone.
Goku Black is a beyond outrageous pink freak.
Thank you.
All his forms.
Nah. Give her the best. Give her the best. One of the best strongest characters.
I'll see you later on the beach. You know that was our dinner. Yo, that was our breakfast, not dinner. It's not dinner. But yeah. Tomorrow's just gonna eat the rest of them pancakes while we just sign off for today, and yeah, see you at the beach.
Alright, y'all, it's our third and final day here down in Wildwood, New Jersey. We're gonna spend our last moments here at the beach, and we may get on some rides today. We got the 2 other peoples. Trinity is behind at the hotel just chilling, and Samaj is on the boardwalk already. So we're just gonna catch up whenever we get the chance. Looks like they came down here already.
We all got our tripods going on. Already our picture. We make an awesome move for this. I don't play with the anime store, straight up. What do you have in your box today, Mom? We got some nice water in here. Water. We don't got too much today, so that's the fun part.
I want to try some of this Dole Whip. Let's go get some, family. Oh yes, this one is Elite right here. It extremely good. We're at the beach here. We'll see y'all when we camp out.
Yeah, they should have been dig the bigger hole.
Staying up. What's with the my beach shower? Whoa. Ah! Oh no. Dang it, just pull it. Okay, yeah. No. Ow!
You okay? Yeah,
Okay, wait, let me do it. So, the wind doesn't really blow that much. Let's just do it. Try to do it. No, not over down. So we need to actually make a bigger hole.
Hold on to this. Don't fly away, man. I need one of that shirt.
Ooh!
Oh no. Saved my eyeball.
Just dig like 5 6 holes.
It's gonna be so low now. Stop the camera. This is enough? Should be. Eyeball bell.
Alright guys.
Try to get some down here. And that, and I'll do my roots. Let me just make sure. Good. Let me make sure that I don't think I'm gonna get cut that because once I get in the water, I'm gonna get wet.
Oh Oh, my stuff.
Oh no, mom was right there. Oh, that's what I need. I have mine at home. I need to get. I left mine at home. I'm right here. I need to put his keys on. It's not gonna anchor too much, but. Start running out, and that's what I'm gonna do. What? I thought so. Remember that the yeah, that's out. That's you? It disappeared super fast. Oh! I'm like, bro, just let me go. Let me go.
I'm gonna transport y'all over to this. So just be right. I'm gonna be right back.